Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Igor and I'm clinical oncologist practicing since 2010. Today we are talking about glutamine again. Last topic was glutamine in inflammatory bowel disease, meaning Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. Now, because one of my subscribers asked if there are other studies, and one of subscribers wrote that, oh, I have a irritable bowel syndrome, and glutamine really helped me. This is the next topic about glutamine in irritable bowel syndrome. The thing is that after that our gut is a very important organ that plays barrier function, barrier against bacteria living there. We know that we need bacteria, we need our microbiome that will produce some substances what we need, that will help with digestion of some substances, and it forms the bulk of the stool. But these bacteria must live there, but not really affect the gut wall. That's why they are separated with the mucosal layer, and the gut is playing important role in barrier function to separate the bacteria from the body. And this is very important because if this if this barrier is disrupted, the bacteria may attach to the wall, cause inflammation. They may go into the blood, causing sepsis, or they can this barrier, if it's disrupted, it can cause the leaky gut syndrome, when all the toxins from the gut will be absorbed and go into the bloodstream and intoxicate our body, leading to many symptoms. By the way, this syndrome is seen in food allergies or celiac disease or ulcerative colitis, in rheumatoid arthritis, in Crohn's disease. And also, in this study, they took the patients who were suffering from irritable bowel syndrome with predominance of diarrhea, because they can be predominance of pain, it can be predominance of constipation or diarrhea. So they took patients who suffered from some gut infection, and then afterwards they developed this problem, like their gut can't restore itself, and they have weakness and permanent loose stools, permanent diarrhea, and they never come back to normal. And that means that there is inflammation there, and the bacteria disrupted the barrier, and the bacteria are attached to the wall. This low-grade inflammation, the toxins are going to the bloodstream. This is the leaky gut. So we need to get rid of that. By the way, these patients often go to various doctors, to gastroenterologists. They do lots of exams. They do colonoscopy, gastroscopy, ultrasound, do blood tests, stool tests, but nothing is found. And they say, okay, your gut is normal, but you have some dysfunction of gut. We don't know why. And let's call it just irritable bowel syndrome. Your gut is too irritable, but no one knows the reason. Here, the investigators show that the reason is the disruption of barrier. And we know that glutamine is used for metabolism of gut. It can improve the gut barrier. It can decrease the inflammation, improve immunity in the gut. And why not try glutamine supplements in those patients? And here we see 54 adults suffering from irritable bowel syndrome with diarrhea getting glutamine supplements, and 52 getting placebo for 2 months. And we see the really good difference between these two groups of people. It improved their daily bowel movement frequency, it improved the stool consistency, it improved intestinal permeability, and there were no major adverse reactions noticed. Thus, they may be a good remedy for those suffering from this problem. But of course, we still need more larger clinical trials to be sure in that. And this is all for today. I wish you good luck. God bless you. Bye bye.